Alright guys, here we are on a job at a used car dealership about 35 minutes from my residence. I am in the process, I've got the dingo out here. I'm in the process of ripping up this asphalt. This is a used car dealership, like I said. In order for the guy who's getting ready to lease this car lot, the city is making him put a landscape bed all the way around the property. Basically like the shopping center over there, they have the bushes. I guess it being a car dealership, it's going to hold cars. Something about emissions. They want plants and grass throughout all of this so that those trees and everything will soak up the exhaust, the carbon monoxide coming off the vehicles, which I understand. And plus it's something that the city of Lexington is making this guy who's getting ready to lease this property, that's just what the regulations are. So I'm gonna set you guys up, and like I said, we're ripping out all this concrete. We're all the way around, all the way through there. It's actually asphalt. And so I'm gonna go ahead and set you guys up and let you see the process.
A few moments later.
Alright guys, we're down here at the landfill. We just dumped. This is my friend Omar. Good man, good man. I tell you, this place, you gotta have a freaking four-wheel drive just to get. I about didn't make it up that hill right there. I was spinning, and as soon as I got to the top, it finally got traction. But the guy up here on this machine, you could tell he didn't want to be up here today. And he's like, "You gonna got four-wheel drive? You don't need to be in here." I said, "Well, I didn't know I was gonna be off-roading this morning." And after a minute or two, I just politely, I de-escalated the situation. And you just gotta kill, you gotta kill that kind of stuff with kindness. And whether people adhere to it or not, most people are going to come. But if you escalate things, they're going to get more worse. They're going to get worse and worse and worse. But he told me to go around, follow around to the left. I hope this is the right place. But anyway, we're going to go up here and get paid, get the credit card, and get on and get our other load. We'll see you guys there.
free glove.
Oh, yeah. Do it. All right, thank you so much.
No problem.
Have a good Christmas.
Merry Christmas, and you have a good rest of your day.
You too, thank you. I emailed the inspector, just went to Lowe's. Waiting on anybody to do anything at Lowe's is just like, oh, just drives me crazy. Anyway, the inspector is going to be, I was like, I'll be done by 5 this evening if you want to come tomorrow. He said, well, actually, I'm going on I'm on vacation till the 1st of the year. I can come by at 4:30, and I'm like, you know, I'm about $3,000 into this job, and I'm a one-man operation. I don't freaking blow big money to do jobs. I normally, you know, chainsaw, chains, gas, and my time. But I've been hauling. I've been dirt, $1,000 in dirt, $1,000 in trees, $200 or $300 in seed and straw. Almost $800 in dumping just to take the asphalt to the dump. There's about 6 loads. You know, this is my first time doing any asphalt removal. Like I could pour concrete, but where the town that I'm working in, $35 a ton to dump asphalt. And of course, I do everything on the weekend because of my job. I work during the week, but you know, I could probably link up if I did this on the regular. I would link up with the asphalt company and just say, hey, I got some old asphalt y'all want to crush up. I just dump it. I even paid $20, $30 to let me dump it there, but they more than likely would just say, yeah, bring it on. Anyway, we're headed back to the job. I'm gonna try to seed and straw this before the inspector gets there. I'm about to show up at the car lot. I'll take you guys around there in the day and show you what we got done. So this is the after. I got everything done. What I'm doing here today is just getting all this mud out of the cracks. Woo. Put in them holly bushes. Of course, gotta fix that. And then down there, so that's it. So what I'm doing here today is just getting all this mud off the end of road. So I'll set you guys up on a time lapse, and hopefully we'll get it done. Alright guys, this is the finished product. So what we did right here is we went around this entire, the perimeter of this car lot, soon to be. Took out 4 inches of asphalt all the way around, 4 inches wide by 260 foot. And put down almost 30 ton of fill dirt